Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling something that's become a staple in 2025. Using a contactless card for the first time. If you're just getting started with this tech, you're in the right place. It's quick, secure, and makes payments a breeze, especially in our fast-paced world. So, let's dive right in. First things first, what exactly is a contactless card? It's a payment card equipped with NFC technology. Think of it as a tiny wireless chip that lets you tap and pay without swiping or inserting it into a machine. By 2025, most cards and terminals support this, making transactions faster than ever. But before you head out, ensure your card is activated. Contact your bank via their app or website to confirm it's ready to go. This step is crucial to avoid any hiccups. Now, onto the main event. Step 1. Find a store or vendor with a contactless enabled terminal. Look for the wave-like symbol on the payment machine. It's usually right on the reader. Step 2. When it's your turn, simply hold your card near the symbol. No need to wave it around. Just tap it gently and hold for a second or two. You'll hear a beep or see a green light if it works. For larger purchases, you might need to enter a PIN for added security. Most systems in 2025 have a threshold around $100, but check your bank's policy. One common mistake is holding the card too far away, so keep it about an inch from the reader. If it doesn't go through, try again or use a different payment method. Contactless cards are super secure thanks to encryption and tokenization, so your personal info stays protected. Once you're comfortable, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Thanks for watching, and if you have questions, hit the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.